Well, welcome everybody here in this interview.
I have to do this, actually.
Well, Lightning, I'm gonna explain to you.
No, I give a fucking reason why I'm actually doing this.
Okay. Well, we're gonna do an interview with you, well, because you have some problems.
Nothing from you.
Guys, you have some problem with each other, and that's why we are to talk about it.
Just tell me what is going on here.
I like it.
Well, Lightning, tell why you actually hate Rex in that point.
The reason actually why I hate him actually is because he steals my audience actually on social media and everything.
That's not true.
Okay, guys, not
Yes,
making,
it's true.
not making any
No,
sense
Fuck
here.
now with me.
Take it easy. So,
Sissy,
Easy in my life actually, I have no lesson or anything. It pisses me off.
I also understand that you want to kill Rex. Is that true?
I never.
Yeah, that is true, yeah. But not actually kill him.
Almost.
Not yet.
Now, guys, we know killing here. That's the
Almost
thing.
did it.
Come.
We do no killing here. Okay.
You know, I don't care, you know?
I know that's an issue, Lightning.
He
There.
is
That's
actually
what.
in my life, actually. He steals my audience and everything, you know?
Yeah, that's a problem. I understand.
I don't like this anymore.
Yeah, I know.
I have my space and he has his space, you know?
Yeah, I
But I
understand.
don't
Yeah.
want to work with him on anything.
Oh,
Okay.
please.
Okay, maybe you can. Maybe you are good friends. You know, you're living together and you are good friends.
If you maybe will be friends, I will see, but I don't know about that.
No, I won't.
Well, I see that,
My
Rex,
friend, not his.
but it is also a positive thing that
Still
Rex
actually
is want to help you.
That's it.
It's not to harm you. As Rex, you want to help you, so why not? So
Well, I don't
to
know.
talk about this problem. So
I want it.
yeah,
I don't care.
yeah. That's why we do this. So we talk about it, Lightning. So I don't know.
It's every time the same thing, you know? He tried to be funny and everything and things like that.
Lightning, that's
I'm
personality.
done with that.
You cannot change personality
I
by
want
somebody.
to. I don't understand what he is actually always happy and that.
Well, yeah.
And do stuff and everything, what I fucking don't
Well,
care.
that's personality, Lightning. That's what everybody has. Everybody has.
But he tried on social media to do all the things that I do. He go on my channel, he go on
I
my YouTube
understand,
channel
yeah.
and everything.
I
On
don't
my
have a channel.
Instagram, on my
Yeah.
Twitter.
I don't have the.
I don't fucking care.
Well, I don't have the.
You
Okay,
don't know all my
okay.
social media.
Don't speak
I
together.
don't have that.
Take it easy, guys.
I don't care actually.
Lightning, take it easy.
No.
Take it easy, Lightning. We don't want accidents here.
Even is he ridiculous how he actually wearing. Everybody calls him cute.
Well, I
Well,
am
you're also
cute.
cute, Lightning. It's not always Rex is cute. But why don't actually shake his hand actually now?
No, I'm not gonna shake his hand, young.
No.
Well,
I'm
what
done
is
with
the
this
problem
interview,
actually?
man.
Now,
I'm done with
Lightning.
But please, come on.
You fucking scared my way. You got
Come
that?
on, Lightning. We have a lot to talk
You know,
about.
I'm done with this, really.
Come on, Lightning.